This conference will now be recorded.
अद्य गुरुवासरः अथवा बृहस्पतिवासरः ज्येष्ठ कृष्ण द्वादशी दिनांक 18 जून 2020 चरक सॉरी सहस्रयोगम पृष्ठ 45 शंचक्रं जलौकान् दधतमृतघटं चारुदौर्भिश्चतुर्भिः सूक्ष्मस्वच्छातिहृद्यां शुकपरिविलसन् मौलिनं भोजनेत्रं कालाम्भोदोज्ज्वलाङ्गं कटितटविलसच्चारुपीताम्बराढ्यं वन्दे धन्वन्तरिं तं निखिलगदवनप्रौढदावायुलीलम् प्रौढदावान्निशीलम् ब्रह्मणो हि समारब्धाम् आत्रेयाद्येषु पूजिताम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् आयुर्वेदरतं वन्दे माधवाख्यं महागुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं शिष्येभ्यो यः प्रदत्तवान् द्रष्टाध्यानी दृष्टकर्मा कृतकर्मा तथैव च अध्यापकोऽभिषक्श्रेष्ठो महान् संशोधकस्तथा गुणैरेतैः समुदितैः यत्कार्यं प्रतनोति सः सम्बुद्ध्यर्थं हि कार्यस्य वयं नु प्रयतामहे सरस्वत्यै नमो यस्याः प्रसादात् पुण्यकर्मभिः बुद्धिदर्पणसङ्क्रान्तं जगदध्यक्षम् ईक्षते आत्रेयं प्रथमं वन्दे आयुर्वेदजगद्गुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं गृहीत्वा हि सुरेश्वरात् अग्निवेशादिकेभ्यो यत् प्रेक्षति सप्तमः प्रथमं तन्त्रकर्तारम् अग्निवेशं नमाम्यहम् पंचतिक्त कृतगुगुलुः indications वातरोग संधिगतवात अस्थिगतवात मज्जागतवात कुष्ठ. So here I propose that it is not only general kushta but अस्थिमज्जागतमपि कुष्ठमपि idru, so it would be अस्थिमज्जागत kushta as well. Nadi vrana arbuda and so this is used in cancer by Keralian Vaidya. Now I also started using it. Pagandara Gandamala Urdhva Jagatrugata Roga. So this is again, particularly in oral cancers, this might be of use. And anyway, it is containing Bhalataka as well. So by that also, in squamous cell carcinoma, this is a choice. Gulma Gandaroga, Gudaroga, Pameha, Yakshma, Aruchi, Shwasa, Pinasa, Kasa, Rudroga, Panduroga, Mother, Vidar, Vatrakta. So in Mother, it is useful. This is the best formulation for Vataroga. Gugulu will become more potent when combined with Krita and acts as Tridoshanashaka, Vranashodaka and Ropaka. So this again is added thing about this. So in the Kanta we also covered actually Sukumaraka Gruta. Pachet Punarnava Tulam Tatha Dashapala Pruthak Dashamula Payasya Ashwagandhairandashatavari विदर्भ शरकासेक्षु मूलपोटकलान्विताः बहे पाम् अष्टभागस्ते तत्र त्रिंशत्फलङ्गुणा प्रस्थमैरण्डतैलस्य द्वे घृतात्रयसस्तथा आवपेद्विफलांशं च कृष्णान्तन्मूलसैन्धवम् यष्टी मधुक पृथ्वीका द्वियवानि पृथ्वीका यवानि नागराणि च सो पुनर्नवा तुलां तथा दशफला पृथक् दशमूलपयस्य अश्वगन्ध एरण्ड तो पुनर्नवा तन्तुला and Dashapala of Dashamula Payasya Ashwagandha Eranda Shatavari Vidarbha Shara Kasa Ikshu Mula Portagala. Portagala I have to see, I don't remember right now. But this Trinapancha Mula is there, and that can be used. That is why in kidney failure as such, I am using Sukumaraka Gruta in many patients of kidney failure with Bastyamayantaka Gruta. वहे अपाम अष्टभागस्ते वन वह जल अष्टभागस्ते when it reduced to eighth part त्रिंशत् फलं गुणा. So gula is added. Prastham eranta tailasya and eranta taila dve gurtat payasastha. Two from gurta, two from milk. Avapet vipalavshancha Krishna tanmula sangama. So Krishna and tanmula are separated. So Pippali mula Saindhava Yashti Maduka Prudvika Yavani Nagarani. So Siddham Sukumarakham Sukumaram Rasayana. So this is Sukumaraka Rasayana. Vata tapadhyayanaadi pariharyeshu antayantranam. So Vata atapa adhyayan. So there is no parihara ayantrana. One can easily use this in all such conditions. Prayojam Sukumaranam Ishvaranam Sthapana. For Sukumara Ishvara, it is Ishvavara, but it should be Ishvara and Sukhatma. So those were rich people or kings and having leisure or pleasureful life. Nranam Trivrunda Bhartrunam Alakshmi Kalinashanam. So Trivrunda Bhartru is one who is having many wives, that kind of person. Alakshmi Kalinashanam. Now this is something which we can say Adhidaivika aspect of a particular medicine. Lakshmi and Alakshmi are two opposite entities, and both are positive. So Alakshmi is not absence of Lakshmi. Alakshmi is also an entity, and in particularly Shri Sukta, there is a clear mention Tama Avah Jataved Lakshmi Manupagamini. So you bring me Lakshmi, which is Anupagamini, which will not go away from. And Alakshmi Nashayamyam. On the contrary, I want to destroy Alakshmi or something like that. There is a very strange story about this that both of them, Lakshmi and Alakshmi, came to a sage and asked him his opinion that who is more beautiful. No, it was very difficult question, but sage was clever. He said, "You go up to that tree and come back again." So they went and came back. And then he answered that Alakshmi, while going away from me, looks better, beautiful. And Lakshmi, while coming to me, looks beautiful. So both of you are beautiful. One while going away is beautiful, one while coming towards us is beautiful. So both were satisfied. This is again strange. Anyway, but this is a story. The moral of the story is even there can be rich people who are having a Lakshmi or something like that as their makeup of mind, and there can be poor people who behave like rich people, though they don't afford to do that. So this is indeed a manasa bhava, and we need to destroy a Lakshmi even when we have Lakshmi or something like that. So, and anyway, we have to get Lakshmi. That is another issue. So that is why Charkacharya had said Dhanayashana in this scenario. And First is Praneshana, then Paralokeshana, and then Dhaneshana or something like that. This is second one, and Paralokeshana, the third one. But Dhaneshana has been said in our text, and the Chaturveda Purushartha, Artha is one of the Purusharthas that is to be earned under the control of Dharma, that is more important. But this is Kalinashana as well. So Kalinashana is quarreling. Kali is well known for creating a fight between two people. So whenever there are disputes, whenever there are quarrels again and again, maybe among couple, maybe boss and subordinate, etc., etc., then this kind of Gruta as Adhidevik aspect can be used. So for this purpose, we may try to give Sukumaraka Gruta for Abhyantara Yoga, and we are not actually using this for this purpose. So this might be a totally different purpose. Sarvakalopayogeena Kanti Lavanya Pushpida. This is again important aspect that it is Kanti Lavanya and Pushpida. As such, I have a concept of having beauty clinic. The Vaidyas, particularly lady Vaidyas, may have beauty clinics, may keep somebody who will deal with the parlor treatment and such. But main role of the Vaidya should be examining the patient, considering ladies as patients, and see Agni and Ahara and other things, etc., etc., and give proper treatment with Panchakarma. So that will be a real treatment for cosmetology. Just applying something externally and that to chemical is not really at all good. And there is a vast scope for cosmetic treatment, particularly in ladies, and might be true for even males now. But I am not aware about that. So this can be a new avenue as such, in which there will be vast scope. Now I am talking about this Swadeshi and Paryavarana Samvardhaka. So one of the ways of herbal products or earning money through herbal products is cosmetics. Can we imagine Kali inside the body or between body constituents, which happens in autoimmune disorders? Totally different thought. May we consider that this is a quarrel between the antibodies and the normal body cells, and it doesn't remain a quarrel, it becomes a battle. And that gives rise to autoimmune disorders. Maybe we try to think about this good thought process. So Kumaraka Kashaya is also available with same combination. Please comment where to use such drugs, where Gruta form is used in Shaya. So actually it will be important to note whether it's an indication for a Kashaya or for Gruta, etc. And it has to be decided on the condition of the patient as such. Kashaya is Ushna Tikshna and Sushma Srotogami, etc. So that may be used for those purposes. But if we find that Agni Vardhana is required or Rauksha is there, then Sukumaraka Gruta is better option. I use Sukumaraka Gruta in many patients with history of constipation and particularly in kidney failure and cancer patients. So it is containing arendasneha, it is containing grutha, it is containing guda and dugdha. So this is a bit heavy to digest, but still, whenever there is severe constipation and we need to improve the strength of the body, then this is a good combination. And rasayana, this is another important aspect over here. So we may try to use for the rasayana properties as well. This is another important aspect. And alakshmi kalinashana, this is again an important aspect. So in that situation also we may try to use this. Buddhi vidradi gulmarsho yoni roga nilartishu. Sophodoro kuda pliha vibandeshu cha uttamam. So there is a mention about vibanda as such. And even in Vruddhi Roga, actually Adhikar is Vidruddhi with Vruddhi, that is the Adhikar. So basically it is a medicine for Vruddhi. And particularly Aprapta Phala Kosha, this kind of Vruddhi is to be treated with this. But if it is irreducible hernia, then also this can be used. But generally the constipation has to be relieved in hernia patients. And depending upon the age, if hernioplasty, herniorrhaphy is done, then that becomes a choice in certain cases because more the old age, more will be difficult the operation as such. And there are rarely chances of strangulation hernia, and if that happens, then that is very troublesome. We can use Rasayana Churna with Sukumaraka Rasayana or Adidaivika and Manasa Vyadhis. Also, this combination may be useful in Mutrava Srotas or kidney failure patient. This is definitely useful in Mutrava Srotas or kidney failure patient. And Rasayan Churna is also going well with this. So that is also Rasayana and this is also Rasayana. I am trying to use Rasayan Sukshma Rasayan Churna in all cancer patients. And this is used as one of the Anupana along with Rakta Kalyanaka Grutha, Sukumaraka Grutha is used. So anyway, this can be used. In which condition of cosmetics this may be used just for glow or in complexion? Actually, there are two, three indications. Generally, there is some formation of armor and constipation, and in which this can be used. That is one thing. Rakta Dushti is found in many cases, and so in that situation also this can be used and might be used even for Shukra Dushti, particularly in Tarunya Pitaka and constipation. Then this is a choice for taking care of that. So complexion and glow, this is also fine. Kanti Lavanya Pushtidam, that is already there. And even it gives Pushti, that is another important aspect. Leha is also available. Okay. How in Vidradhi? I have not used so much in Vidradhi as such, but might be relieving constipation and also dealing with the Rakta Dushti as such. So it can be used. Triphala Gugul or Vanga, etc. Rakta Pachak. These are more used by me in Vidradhi. Potagala is Nala. Phragmites Karka, a bamboo-like tree. Okay, fine. So it is again of this Sruna Panchamula. Have you Sukumaraka Grutha in a case of Astimajjagata Vata, female patient which was also demanding Brohana weight gain due to thin structure of threshold. The Falashruti Kanti Lavanya Pushtidam was useful here, and patient not only gained weight but also factors of Kanti and Lavanya improved dramatically. That is good. What should be the dose and Aushadha Sevan Kala? Generally, I am using it upon Kala in 1 teaspoon. That is enough. Ama Vibandha Sneha Prayog, sir. How? Now, this has to be just. If there is armor, then actually Dhruta is not recommended. Kumaraka Kashaya might be useful. But depending upon the condition, if Dhruta is digestible, then that can be used. Shall we use Gana in various different Kalpana, and otherwise we should use Kalpana as mentioned in original text? Actually, एते वर्गादोष दुष्टाद्यपेक्ष कर्तृत्वात् स्नेह लेहादियुक्ताः. There is direct mention. Vakpat Sutrastham 15th chapter in the A. Kalkatvat Sneha Lehadi Yukta. So all possible Aushadha Kalpanas can be used of this. And one have a choice if Dravyan Vyayad Ayogikam. One Dravya is Ayogika, then that can be omitted. And Yajnatadvidam Anyaksha. You can use any other Dravya which is like this. So there is a freedom given to Vaidyas about this. It is rather on the Vaidya part to decide which Kalpana to be used. So what has happened actually in Prahatrai, there is a mixation of all Kalpanas. And even Langan etc. are also given as sutras for treatment. And Panchakarma is also there, and then this varieties of Kalpanas are also there. From later texts, Sharantar, Bhavaprakash, Yogaratnakar, they try to categorize the Aushadha Kalpas according to Kalpanas. So, Kwatha, Dhruta, Guttika, Rasakalpa, etc. This is the classification that is being given by other or the further texts. And at that time, we should have a clear understanding which Kalpana to be used, which Kalpana is better in this particular situation. So we can take help from original text Brotrai, so that we have to see what has been said by the text. If they say that Vamanam Badanadivi, then what has been said to do is Vamanam, and then Badana etc. are useful for that. So main thing is Vamana. On the other hand, there can be a preparation of Ghruta or oil, and that is said that can be used for Abhyanga, Snehapana, Basti, etc. etc. Then main thing is that Ghruta or oil, and these are varieties of uses that you can use them. So let us consider it on the basis of the original text. What does it say exactly? And that was the base while preparing Aushadha Kosha. So I was stuck in two minds. Either we go for Kalpana or we go for the Dravyas or something like that, or Yogas. And when I saw both kinds of sutras, I ultimately decided to go for both the fields, A1 and A1A, in which Karma and Karmetara was the combination or something like that. So A1 was Karma and A2 was Karmetara. In Karma, again, Panchakarma, Panchakarmetara Karma and Dravya Karma. That was. So Panchakarma would really Vaman Virachan, Basti, Raktamoksha and Nasya. These, according to Vakpata, these would do. In Karmetara, Panchakarmetara, we started with Anjana, Ashchotana, Gandusha, Dhumapana, etc., etc., or even Snehan Swedhan. And Dravya Karma, Pachan, Deepan, etc. These were considered as Dravya Karma. Now, these karmas are to be done by a particular Dravya, maybe Guna or something like that. So, Karmetara is Dravya and Guna. So, Shita Sarva Vidhirhitaha, then this is a Guna. And if a particular medicine has been said, maybe single, maybe in combination, maybe a different kalpana. So we separated out the kalpana and made another field called as kalpana, which was given below. And we added another field adhikar. So a particular drug is given in a particular adhikar. Tapyadiloh being mentioned in Pandurogadhyaya, but is useful in Visheshanantya Apasmaran Kamala and Buddhajanisha. So Apasmara, Kamala, Buddhaja, Arsha. That is the Falashruti. So you will find a reference of Tapyadiloh for Apasmara with Pandurogadhikar. You will find Tapyadiloh for Arsha with Pandurogadhikar. What does it really say? Whenever there is Pandu leading to Arsha or Apasmara, then this is a choice of drug. Or if there is a combination of these two, then this is a choice of drug. That is one important aspect. Kolatkar sir had it in mind to link these diseases through medicine. I tried it for some record, but then it was a totally new job and we didn't go ahead with that. So it would mean that Panduroga is a cause for Apasmara or Kushta or whatever it may be, that is the Padashruti of Tapyadiloha in the Adhikar of Pandu. This is what Panduroga can. It can't be said exactly that this would be like this. So either a combination of these two diseases or a cause-effect relationship between these two, that is possible. So I didn't go for that, but now Pratipadika Kosha, this is possible. We have to just provide a link. It's not difficult for us because it's a single database. So we have to see the Falashruti, we have to see the Adhikar, and link that Adhikara with that Falashruti diseases. That is quite possible. So through program, this will be done now. But anyway, what I was trying to tell that what is most appropriate medicine in this particular patient in this situation that we have to think about. And the Adhikara provides a very good input for this. And secondly, we have to think of this Kalpana as such, and which Kalpana is more Yaudika. So here Avlahi is also available, Kasha is also available, and Gurta is also available. So we may think about all these things and try to use a particular Kalpana for this. So anyway, Krishna Pippali Pippali Mula Saindava Yashtimadu Mridvika Yavani Nagara. 2 पल एच गुड़ 30 पल घृत 2 प्रस्थ एरंड तैल 1 प्रस्थ पुनर्नवा 1 तुला दशमूल 10 पल ईच अश्वगंधा एरंड शतावरी विदर्भ सार कास इक्षुमूल शर काश इट्स नॉट सार शर काश इक्षुमूल पोडगल मुंडी. This is again different. Jala चार द्रोण, prepare Ashtamansha Kwatha above Kashai, Shira 2 parts, prepare Ghruta with the above drugs with Viskalka, Sneha and Dravadravya taken in specified quantity. Vrushya Vajikarana. There was Vrushya. Where is Vrushya? Nrunam Strivrundam Hatrunam. That we may take it as Vrushya, something like that. कांति लावण्य पुष्टिदायक वृद्धि वृद्धि गुल्म अर्शस योनि रोग वात रोग पीड़ा शोफ उदर रोग प्लीहा विबंध. He had not given everything about Lakshmi Nashana etc. Vibandha is there, but there are many things missing etc. सर्वकालोपयोगेन वातातपाद्भयानादि परिहार्येषु अयन्त्रम्. This also he has not covered in the translation. Here in Hindi, Potagala taken as Mundi, Moola. Okay. So Gorakh Mundi is one of the issues, but I think here it will be one of the Trinapancha Moola. That will be better. So anyway, the translation is not complete at all, and we may have
थोड़ा छोटा रह गया. कह जी अंकल का 300 आए थे कौन?
Pardon. You write message. So anyway, this is actions and indication. This is totally different. I think we have gone up. Avoid advagamana yana vahana yana and also exposing to sun and air. So it is totally opposite meaning. In general, rasayana vidhi these are to be avoided, and there is ayantranam. There is no restriction on this while taking this rasayana. So this is a vatatapika rasayana. And truly speaking, the meaning is not avoidance of this, but this is allowed while taking this rasayana. So there needs to be a good translation. In Hindi text, they have given correct meaning. Okay. Actually, I think to bring a critical edition of this, actually, critical edition text requires much more effort. But at least correction of patha and correction of meaning would be required. And if people are not reading original text and trying to follow what is original text saying, then it's better to go for at least correction of the text, and that will be better. Ikshudurva mrutadhatri श्रदंष्टा स्वस्तिकोद्भवे स्वरते नारिकेलाम्ब पयो युक्तैः सुकल्पितैः चातुर्जात पयो वृक्ष मुकुलाम्ब पयोधरैः सारिवो क्षीरयष्ट्याव सितोपल हिमामयैः सिद्धं कृतं नवं सम्यक् सिक्तपित्तहरम्. So Ikshu We started with Chaturjata, Payovruksha Mukula, Panchakshiri Vriksha Shrunga. So Payavruksha Mukula is okay, the Shrunga, Vatashunga. But there are Shunga of other plants as well, Pippali, Pippal, etc. Ambu, Musta, Payodhara, Valaka, Sariva, Ushira, Yashtyavha, Sitopala, Hima, Chandana, Amaya, Shvetakushtha. So this is the Kalkadravya. त्याचे दूध आलं का खाली नाही आलं घृत इक्षु दूर्वा अमृता धात्री स्वदंष्ट्रा स्वस्तिक जलचांगेरी स्वरस नारिकेलांबू coconut water and क्षीर इक्षु दूर्वा अमृता धात्री स्वदंष्ट्रा स्वस्तिकोद्भवे स्वरसे नारिकेलांबू पयोयुक्तैः सुकल्पितैः. So I'm not sure payas is milk or water over here. Dr. L. Mahadevan has critically analyzed Sahasrayogam Kalpas on Guna basis in English. No, I am not saying this. Critical analysis, I am saying critical edition. And critical edition is a totally different aspect. And one who is expert in Sanskrit can only do that. That is very important. I just mentioned my experience. I have told this in Charakvachan long back, but it would be worth at least to know about these things. I was thinking of bringing out critical edition of Charaka Samhita, and I just spoke this to Darshan Shankar in Bangalore, and he said the work has already started or completed. I was just amazed. I said, who is doing that? He said, I'm not sure, but Dominic Ujastik is doing it. Fortunately, I was knowing Dominic Ujastik. He was a student. He is a Sanskrit scholar from grammar, Sanskrit grammar. And we were studying together with Bhagavad Gita. So I wrote to him. He immediately replied that he is not doing the work, but Karin Presindan in Vienna is doing that. So then I established contact with Karin Presindans. And she said she is working only on Vimanasthana. 3 years she had completed. And we were looking for any opportunity to meet each other. She said there is no chance of her coming to India in near future. I was traveling to Germany, so I said, okay, I will drop in at Vienna while going to Germany and we'll meet. So she agreed. I didn't know anything about critical edition as such. And the great work that has been done by Bhandarkar Oriental Research Institute, BORI, in Pune, is the critical edition of Mahabharata. And they required 40 years for this work with very great Sanskrit scholars. So then I contacted BORI and there was only one person who had been working in this project. He was 85 plus. And he said, I also don't remember anything now. I'm the only remnant of this Sakshi of this project. But Bhandarkar Institute has published one book, Indian Textual Criticism, that is available in Bhandarkar itself. So you can go through that book, then you will understand me. I purchased that book, couldn't find time to go through. But while traveling, it was a 9-hour journey to Vienna. I read the book completely. It was around 200 pages. And then I came to know many things about this. Generally, the life of a palm leaf is 500 years. If we have Tada Vriksha, Tala Vriksha, then it may be 800 years. And Shri Tad, which is available in Sri Lanka, is 1000 to 1200 years, but not beyond that. And generally, these are written on Bhurja Patra. And they say that on an average, 3% errors creep in every transmission. Now, there was a vocal tradition about Vedas that still exists. But this is a written tradition. And the only way was handwritten things on Bhurja Patra. And this is used to handed over to next generation in the form of this Bhurja Patra or Tada Patra or something like that. And the next generation has to copy it again so that the knowledge is retained or the succession continues. While doing this, there can be simple errors, and if there is no counter check, then these errors creep into that, and these amount to around 3% per transmission. Now, considering that Ayurveda is bare minimum 3000-year old, even according to Western historians, 1000 BC, that is what they are saying. And 3000 years, at least 6 generations of manuscripts. So what manuscript that we are having today is bare minimum 6 generation. It might be more than that. And there might be mistakes, errors in this transmission. Now, Yadavji Trikamji Acharya has worked on critical edition of Charaka Samhita and Sushruta Samhita. And Anna Kunte has worked on this Ashtanga Hridaya and such. Moreshwar Kunte. So the process of this critical edition is to have as many manuscripts as you have. So Karin Presindans collected around 50 plus manuscripts from all over the world. You have to choose one manuscript as a standard one. Yadavji Trikamji Acharya's edition was taken as a standard edition. And compare each sutra in all manuscripts, syllable to syllable. Now, with the help of computers, this is more easy. You can copy paste, and then wherever there is a necessity, you can change it or something. And then try to see common variations. So if you find that these 10 texts are having common variation, then the original of that manuscript would be particular manuscript or something like that. Another 10, 12 manuscripts are having another common variation, so that forms another base. It can be 2, 3, 4 bases like that. Then again you compare between these bases and try to find a common variation. And you prepare a stemma of this and read the original text. So this is Herculean job, really speaking. And still we are working only on manuscript of that text. We are not going across text. So Charak, Sushruta, Vagbhat, or this Yoga or anything else or something like that. That we are not considering. We are considering only Charaka Samhita or whatever text we are trying to do. There were many surprising things. There was no manuscript from southern India, absolutely zero. So no tradition of Charaka Samhita at all in southern India. Then later on, I came across one research paper or MD thesis by Keralian Vaidya saying that there is no tradition of Charaka in southern India. I was really shocked that there are no people who are reading at all Charaka in southern India. Only mid India and upper India they are using Charaka. Particularly Jamnagar is well known for this. So this was amazing fact that Vagbhata has taken references from Charak and Sushruta. How come people dependent on Vagbhata don't refer Charak and Sushruta from Kerala? Why they are using only Vagbhata and Sahasra Yogam or something like that? This is a still big question. And they should start learning Charaka. Charaka is supreme in case of philosophy. No doubt Vagbhata is more practical. But Charaka is also practical. It's not that Charaka is not practical. But this was amazing fact about this. And then when I reached there, there was a doubt. Somebody expressed doubt. Actually, all this started that our Kriskanda Gosha project and this critical edition project are one and the same. There are people who can be giving any kind of rumors, spreading any kind of rumors. And it was very clear that these two projects are totally different. They don't have any. We have a base. If we really get a critical edition, then we have a base for that. That is that is a better thing. But then, after doing such a lot of effort, what we really get? Only at a particular point we may get a spark, may or may not get a spark, some different thought or something like that. Surprisingly, it was found that Yadavji Trikamji Acharya's some pathas are found in no manuscript. So this is very strange. So this has two meaning. Either Yadavji Trikamji Acharya has introduced his own text in the name of Charaka, or he might be having some other manuscript which was not available to Karan present now. But this seems difficult. So it might be possible that Yadavji Trikamji Acharya has used his own intellect and wherever he found that this is wrong, he corrected it on himself. So that way we have a better text now, much corrected text. But might be that due to these errors in the previous text, it might be possible that this is very tough job. यह हस्तलिखित प्रत सबके लिए उपलब्ध हो सकती है क्या इन डिजिटल फॉर्म होनी चाहिए एक्चुअली जो करिन प्रेसिडांस ने काम किया है whatever Karin Presindas has done, she should be publishing it. Vienna University, they work done by Vienna University. There was one assistant Carolina from Vienna University, and there was one fellow from Germany, actually, who was working with her. And they should get published. I am not sure whether this has been published or not, etc. But there are many such things, quite surprising, and we are just unaware about all this. There was Mr. Dandavde who has worked on Padakosha. He was from Dombivli for teaching in Science College. and he was preparing Padakosha, and he had been working on this for last 21 years, 7 hours a day. And Khadiwale Vaidya said to me, your work is a duplication. Dandavate is doing that work, etc. So anyway, Khadiwale Vaidya didn't understand Triskanda Kosh at all. I tried to convince him many times. And we were together at one conference, and we were in one room for whole night. When I tried to convince him many times, he didn't allow me to speak even a single line. He used to interrupt every time. So it was a futile effort. He couldn't understand. I am talking about Khadiwale Vaidya, Paya Vaidya. But anyway, that's a different story. So I went to Dandavate, met him, and saw his work. So it was amazing. There is no doubt about that. But he was doing it traditional way, preparing slip, read every sutra, separate every word with pada, not pratipadika, but pada, and put the reference of that, and then alphabetically arrange those slips. He had lakhs of slips in his house. It was a small house. I was really amazed. I said, you better do this on computer. Computer at that time was costing 45,000 rupees. And that was also 486 or something. And he said, I can't afford that. I said, the effort that you have put are much more costlier than this. You have been working on this for 7 hours a day for 21 years. So the cost of that is very high. Then he said, you don't understand the importance of my work. I said, I do understand fully the importance of your work. It's not that I don't understand, but this is not the way in this era to do this job. This has to be done on computer. So he was not sure about that. I said, okay, what you are doing right now? He said, Charanga Samhita, first chapter I'm going to start. I said, okay, when will it be ready? He said, it will take around a month. I said, okay, we'll meet again after 1 month. I will do it on computer and you do it manually. And we meet again. He agreed. So I required only 2 days to do that. And I went to him. I showed him whatever I have done. And then he was amazed. And I said, I did this only in 2 days. He was very much astonished. Then he accepted this. Then he purchased a computer and started working on that. But still, this was just a compilation without any further objective in his mind. We had been working on Triskanda Kosha, or we are working on Pratipadika Kosha with a particular objective, what we want to achieve from this. He didn't have any objective what to do with Padakosha later on. And unfortunately, he was struggling with CCIRS to get funds. CCIRS was not at all responding. Ultimately, he died. The whole thing remained with him only. It's of no use right now, or something like that. I don't know whether the relatives have preserved this or not. But even if they preserve, it doesn't have sense. Surprisingly, in Germany, I could find Padakosha of Ashtanga Hridayam in the Roman transliteration. It was a published book by this Heidelberg University. And we are unaware of this. The same work, what Dandavate was doing, has been completed for Ashtanga Hridayam in Germany. And we are just unaware of these things. So where we stand actually, what is our knowledge, what is our experience? This is very much important, and we should have exposure to whatever work that is being done all over the world. Long back, Darshan Shankar arranged one meeting. Those who have been working on computers and in the field of Ayurveda. This was arranged at Bangalore. We were working on this Priskanda Kosha, so I was also an invitee. Vilas Nanda sir was present. He was working on Madhav Dinan package, etc. But therein, only these two projects were there, not many others were working on diagnostic software, not diagnostic software, patient management systems, hospital management systems, etc. Not really associated with the Shastra, etc. Rasik Pavaskar has tried to combine these two, patient management software and Jnana Kosha is what he has been doing, and giving original text, then analysis of that, etc. etc. So what I'm proposing right now is not critically edited, really it can't be said as critically edited, but corrected text of this with appropriate translation in Hindi and English. Wherever there are mistakes, errors, that we have to take care of, like this sutta particular. And actually it will be better if the Keralian people start learning Sanskrit by themselves. Ultimately, that is going to help them. And everybody should go back to original text. That is most important. So this is really troublesome that they are referring only Malayalam, Hindi or English translations as such, and not really going for original Sanskrit text and carrying the mistakes ahead for further generations. So actually, this should not be a very tough job to at least correct this Sanskrit and give appropriate translation. I won't say very good translation or something like that. That will require more effort. We have taken efforts on Ashtanga Hridayam Marathi Sutrasthan, and now that is getting translated into Hindi, and that may become available next year or so. So this will be a good step as such. Sachin Kulkarni is working on that along with Yashasvi Joshi. And that should be fine. But we emphasize on reading original text and this message to be carried to all. So Paya with coconut water, I'm not sure what happens to that. We have to see. This might be Jala as such, but we may take it as Duddha, and if there is no problem with that, then that should be fine. So Ikshudurva Mruta Bhatri Shodavsha Swastikot Bhave. So prepare Mruta with the above dravyas. Raktapitta Haram Param. Whether this is available or not, Ikshvadi Mruta, Ikshudurvadi Mruta, or something like that. Ganesh, is it available? Not known. No, sir. Okay. So anyway, we'll continue with Dhatvadibhuta tomorrow. आयुर्वेद प्रकांडो निगदितैः शल्यतंत्र प्रधानः शिष्येभ्यः शाश्वतोऽयं निखिलजनकृपा व्याप्तचित्तेन येन आयुर्वेदस्य वाञ्छन् पुनरपि भुवने काञ्च सुष्ठुप्रतिष्ठां श्रेष्ठं धन्वन्तरिं तं प्रणमति च सदा वैद्यवर्गो विनूनम्. Vaidyavargo Hinoma. Below, are you present? Would you like to? Okay, seems to be not present. So anyway, he will talk about how to continue ahead after 1st July. So I will talk to him and he may talk tomorrow.